Hi everyone and welcome to my video on PPC advertising mistakes to avoid. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the most common mistakes that people make when running their PPC campaigns. I'll also give you some tips on how to avoid these mistakes and improve the performance of your campaigns. So let's get started. Here are some of the most common PPC advertising mistakes to avoid. Number 1, not setting clear goals. Before you even start running a PPC campaign, you need to have a clear goal in your mind. What is it that you want to achieve out of your campaign? Do you want to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or simply drive sales? Once you know your goals, you can start to develop a campaign that is tailored to achieving them. For example, let's say you're a small business that sells handmade jewelry. You might have the following goals for your PPC campaigns. Number 1, increase brand awareness. You might want to run ads that target people who are interested in handmade jewelry, but who may not have heard of your brand yet. Second, generate leads. Now, here the aim of your campaign would be to get the contact information of the user. For this, you can offer a lead magnet such as a free ebook in exchange for their contact information. Number 3 is drive sales. You might want to run ads that target people who are ready to buy handmade jewelry. You could then offer a special discount or promotion to encourage them to make a purchase. No matter what your goals are, it's important to be clear about them before you start running your PPC campaign. This will help you ensure that your campaign is effective and that you're getting the most out of your investment. Second mistake, not targeting your ads correctly. One of the biggest mistakes that people make with PPC advertising is not targeting their ads correctly. If you're not targeting your ads to the right people, you're simply wasting your money. There are few different ways to target your PPC ads. You can target by number A, keywords. You can target your ads to people who are searching for specific keywords related to your business. For example, taking the example of handmade jewelry again, you might want to target people who are searching for terms like handmade jewelry or buy handmade jewelry online and so on and so forth. Second is demographics. You can target your ads to people based on their demographics such as their age, gender, location, or interests. For example, you might want to target your ads to women who are interested in fashion, since women who are interested in fashion might also be interested in your concept of handmade jewelry. Third is behavior. You can target your ads to people based on their past behavior, such as the websites they visited or the products that they have purchased. Taking an example here as well, you would like to target people here who have visited your website in the past and haven't made a purchase yet. Yes, Google does give you this option where you can retarget these people. It's important to take the time to target your ads correctly, as this will help you ensure that your ads are seen by the people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Third mistake, using the wrong keywords. We know that keywords are the foundation of any PPC campaign. If you're using the wrong keywords, your ads won't show up for the right searches. There are a few things to keep in mind when choosing keywords for your PPC campaign. First and foremost, choose keywords that are relevant to your business. You want your ads to show up for searches that are relevant to what you have to offer. Then you need to choose keywords that have a high search volume. You want your ads to be seen by as many people as possible, right? So choose keywords that have a low competition level and high search volume. Also, you do not want to bid too much on keywords that are very competitive. You can use a keyword research tool to help you find the right keywords for your PPC campaign. There are a number of keyword research tools available, such as Google Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest. Fourth mistake, bidding too high. It's tempting to bid as high as you can on your keywords, but this is a mistake. If your bid is too high, you will end up overpaying for the clicks. Instead, set a budget that you're comfortable with and let Google Ads automatically adjust your bids based on your performance. Google Ads will show your ad more often if it is relevant to the search query and if your bid is high enough. However, Google Ads will also show your ad less often if your budget is low or if your bids are too low. It's important to find a balance between bidding high enough to get your ads seen and bidding low enough to avoid overpaying. Fifth mistake, not tracking your results. It's important to track the results of your PPC campaign so that you can see what's working and what's not. This will help you make necessary adjustments to your campaign and improve the results over time. So here is a question for you. What are some of the metrics that you use to track the performance of your campaigns? Please mention them in the comment section below. So those are just of the few of most common PPC advertising mistakes that I have seen people make, and these mistakes need to be avoided. By following these tips, you can improve the performance of your campaigns and get better results. So this was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can simply leave them in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on PPC advertising and other digital marketing topics. So I'll sign off now and see you in the next one.